Hello students, today we are going to start with the probability question, an important question. A bag contains 5 red balls and some blue balls. If the probability of drawing a blue ball is double that of red ball, determine the number of blue balls in the bag. So a bag is having a two type of balls, that is of red color and a blue color, but we don't know about the number of balls of the blue. So we need to find out the number of balls, blue balls, and according to the question, the probability of drawing a blue ball is double that of a red ball. So let's start. Red balls we have a 5. Blue balls we have, let assume x, because we don't know how many number of blue balls are there. So total balls in bag we have having a 5 plus x. So it means total outcomes we will have a 5 plus x. Let's write the formula for the probability of any event that is favorable outcomes upon total number of outcomes. Now, according to the question, if the probability of drawing a blue ball, yes, it means probability of blue ball is x upon 5 plus x, yes, and probability of red ball is 5 upon 5 plus x, yes, but according to the question, the probability of blue ball is double of red ball. So according to question, x upon 5 plus x is equal to twice of 5 upon 5 plus x. Yes. Now since it is in the division form, it is completely a first term. So 5 plus x and 5 plus x will be cancel out, and we are left with x is equal to 10. It means we have blue balls 10. Yes, I hope it is clear. Now let's take the another example. A box contains 12 balls, out of which x are black. If one ball is drawn at random from the box, what is the probability that it will be a black ball? If 6 more black balls are put in the box, the probability of drawing a black ball is now double of what it was before. Find x. Total balls are in the box are 12, out of which x are black. If one ball is drawn at random, so we will start with total balls, that is we have 12 in a box. X are black balls we have x. If one ball is drawn at random from the box, what is the probability that it will be a black ball? So probability of a black ball will equal to x upon 12. That, as I already told you in previous question, what is the formula of probability? Favorable outcomes upon a total number of outcomes. So x balls are there, any ball could come for the probability of black ball, and so probability of black ball is having x upon 12. Now the second condition, if 6 more black balls are put in the box, now 6 more are added, so total number of balls is equal to 18, and total number of black balls is equal to x plus 6. Yes, if 6 more black balls are put in the box, total balls will also increase and the number of black balls will also increase. Now the condition, what the condition they have given to us, the probability of drawing a black ball is now double so of what it was before. Now the probability of black ball Now the total number of black balls we have x plus 6 are the favorable, and the total number of balls are 18 is equal to, again we will read, the probability of drawing a black ball is now double of what it was before. It was before x upon 12, so that is equal to twice of x upon 12. Yes, see, let's match with the condition what it was written. If 6 more black balls are put in the box, the probability of drawing a black ball, that is, now when the balls are added, that is x plus 6 upon 18, is drawing a black ball is now double the what it was before. So this probability is double of what it was before. Before we have already find out x upon 12. So let's solve this. These both are the multiples of the 3, or we can 6, 2 1 are 2, 2 6 are 12, 6 1 are 6, and 6 3 are 18. So x plus 6 is equal to cross multiplication, that is equal to 3x, or 3x minus x is equal to 6. It implies that 2x is equal to 6, x is equal to 6 upon 2, that is equal to 3. So we have black balls initially, that was 3. Yes, clear? Now let's take another example. A jar contains 24 marbles. Some are green and others are blue. Again, total number of marbles in a jar, that are 24. If the some are green and others are blue, it means we don't know how many green balls are there and how many blue balls are there. Yes, if a marble is drawn at random from the jar, the probability that it is green is 2 upon 3. Yes, so in this question they have told us about the probability of the green ball. So let's assume how many green balls are there. Let green balls is equal to x. So probability of green balls will be equal to favorable outcomes, that is x, upon total number of outcomes, that is 24. Yes, but according to the condition, if the marble is drawn at random from the jar, the probability that it is green is 2 upon 3. It means the probability of drawing this green ball should be equal to 2 upon 3. X upon 24 is equal to 2 upon 3. Yes, 3 1 ja 3, 3 8 ja 24, and x is equal to 2 into 8, that is equal to 16. Yes, now we get to know about the green balls. We have assumed x as a green balls, that is equal to 16. So we need to find out the number of balls of blue color. Yes, so 24 minus 16 is equal to 8. So we have blue balls, that is equal to 8. In this question we need to actually find out the number of blue color balls. Yes, it was slightly mistake by me. Again I am reading for you. A jar contains 24 marbles. Some are green and others are blue. If a marble is drawn at random from the jar, the probability that it is green is 2 upon 3. So find number of balls of blue color. That was the question. I skipped this sentence. Sorry. Now again the solution will be remain same. So I hope it is clear. Thank you.